Typically, when designing a photovoltaic power system, it is necessary to conduct an on-site survey of the building's rooftop, including understanding the structural characteristics and measuring the length and width of the roof. However, for installers using APsystems microinverter products, an online design tool called APDesigner is all they need to complete the system design conveniently and quickly. APDesigner is a photovoltaic system design tool specifically designed for installers, supporting different design modes for various business scenarios. It features 3D modeling, module layout, electrical connections, cost estimation, and automatic report generation, helping installers expand their business. First, we log into the APsystems EMA platform and navigate to the APDesigner function page. Click to create a project, locate the target rooftop on the map, enter the basic project's information, and click to create the projects to enter design mode. The first step is the 3D modeling. Using the pen tool, outline the roof's contour along the edges of the building. You can also draw surrounding trees and obstacles based on the actual situation of the roof. After completion, you can choose 3D to perform 3D modeling design. The second step is layout. Click on the rooftop to create a canvas. Then click on the area where you want to lay out modules, enter parameters such as modules, inverters, and tilt angles, and click Confirm to complete the module layout. You can also customize the canvas by double-clicking to select the starting point and clicking to choose each turning point, drawing the shape of the roof, and entering relevant parameters. Click Confirm to complete the module layout. Once the layout is complete, you can click 3D to enter the three-dimensional view. Click the small sun icon in the upper left corner to generate the module irradiation map. Click another icon, enter the date and time, and click Play to view the shadow changes over time. Then click the Save button in the lower right corner. At this point, we have completed the first two steps of 3D modeling and layout. We will continue to share the next operations in the upcoming video.